Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make PowerPoint for beginners. First of all, you need to know what is PowerPoint and what is it used for. PowerPoint is a powerful, easy to use presentation graphic software program that allows you to create professional looking electronic slideshows. It has cool fonts, designs, transitions, animations, and much more, which you will learn in this video. The next thing you need to know is how to open PowerPoint. So the first step is you need to go to the Start button, which is at the end of your screen on your desktop, as you can see over here. Beside the Start button, you're going to see this box. Click on it and type PowerPoint. Then you will see this. And here you can see your program name and the version you are using. I'm using PowerPoint version 2013. Then under it, as you can see, we have this open button. Click on open button and then the following screen will appear to you. This is a new blank slideshow presentation on PowerPoint. And I know that this is very blank, but if you want to make a blank presentation, this is great. If you want to add design, if you want to add colors, it's very easy. So at the top of the page, you can see we have many buttons, many tools. So beside File, in the second row, the menu bar, we have Design, which is our fourth menu beside Insert. Click on Design, and as you can see here, we have all the designs. If you want to see more designs, you can see here we have these boxes, these arrows. Click on the last arrow and it will show you all the designs, the templates you have on your computer. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and here you go. Here is my design, but the only thing that bothers me here is that I want to change the color. So it's very easy. This can also be done. So as you can see right over here, beside this box, we have this variant. Here, as you can see, we have the same design but in different colors. So here's like green, we have gray, we have black. But if I want to make it more colors, I'm on my own design. So basically, you can see we have these three arrows. Click on the last arrow and click on colors. As you can see here, I have different types of colors I can choose from. I want, for example, red, violet. I can choose that. Also, there are more. You can go scroll down and here. So, for example, I want red, violet. Click on red, violet, and now the color has changed, and I like it. So that's great. Now, if I want to add text, I want to write my title, and it's very easy. Also, you want to click on the place you want to write. So here where it's written click to add titles, where you're going to add your title of your presentation. So the first thing is you have to click inside the box where it's written click to add title, and here you can write your presentation name. For example, I will name it PowerPoint 1. You can name anything you want according to your topic. For example, you have topic about social, English, anything you have, you can name it. Now, for example, I want to change the color. I want to make it bigger. I want to make it bold. It's very easy too. So what you're supposed to do is you're going to go back to the top of the page. Beside File, we have our home menu, and click on home menu, and here we have all our designs. If you notice over here, none of these are active. They're only going to be active once you've clicked inside your box where you're writing. So now all of them are active. So if I won't click and I'm going to click on bold, it's not going to work unless I'm going to click inside the box, and yeah. Now if I want to make it bold, I'm going to go to B and click bold. But did you notice that it's not being bold? Well, there's a very easy reason, which is you have to select what you want to make bold or change it. You want to change the font size, font type, font color, you must select it. It's a must to select. So there's two ways. Either from the mouse, from your cursor, you select it and make it bold from the B in the font section, or we can do Control A from the keyboard, Control plus A, and make it bold from here. If you want to bold it, you're going to click on B. You want to unbold it, click on B again. One more thing is over here you can see you might get confused by these tools. Very easy. Each of these tools have been divided into sections. Each one has its own purpose, its own use. So here we have clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing. If you see drawing is for the shapes, font is for the font type, slides are for the slides. Today I'm going to teach you what is a font group for and how to change the font type. So now I'm going to do Control A. And now I can click on B for bold. I want to underline it for you. The underlined one, I want to make it italic. So the I want to change the color so it's the one A which has a red underline or it has a colored line under it. If I want to color red, I'm just going to click on this. But if I want more colors, so the arrow over here, click on that. Here, as you can see, each color has, some of the colors have their own shades. So here like pink, black, gray has its own shades, or the standard colors, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. But if you want to take more colors, for example turquoise, or different types of color which you cannot find over here, it is right under the standard color bar, which is more colors, or above eyedropper. Click on more colors, and here as you can see we have all colors you can choose from. Here if you see we have this new current. So basically the new color I'm going to choose will be here in current. So basically, for example, I choose this light blue. So over here this is the color, and the one I had right now is the red. So then I'm going to click on OK, and as you can see the color has changed. And yes, now if I want to make it bigger or smaller, we have two ways. So make sure you select it first by Control A, and then you are going to see over here we have the small a and the big A. Small a is to make it smaller, slowly. The big A is to make it bigger, and bigger. There's another way too. If you want to go right beside the big A, we have these numbers. So either you can type in your number, for example, I want mine to be 50. So I'm going to type in here 50 and enter. As you can see, it's 50. Another way is to see this arrow right over here. You can see all the font sizes you have available, and I want mine to be 66. Here you go. Now my font is bigger. Now I want to change the font type. Make sure you select it. And then right beside the numbers we have these letters. So basically here you can change the font type. Either you can click on it and write, for example, Joker Man, and click enter, and over here is Joker Man. But if you don't know the text or the font type name, so basically click on this arrow, and from A to Z you have all your font types, So over here I have agency FB, all A, B, C, D until Z. For example, I want mine agency FB. Over here I've clicked on it, and now I have mine. Now for example you chose one that's like, for example I chose this Lucidia Fax. Now next time I want it, I have to go back all the way down to L. No, we have a very easy way. Under the theme fonts you can see we have this recently used fonts. So I've used Joker Man, I've used Agency FB, Lucidia Fax. So if you even choose a font name which is on Z, you can also find it here above. But it must be recently used. So I want mine to be Joker Man, and here you go. Now I've made this bold, I've underlined it, I've italiced it, I've changed the color, I've made it bigger, and I've changed the font type. One thing that's left is I want to make it in the middle, and that is so easy. Basically, beside the colored A, you can see we have the new section, which is the paragraph section. Here we have these lines. So basically, the one which is on the left is for left, the one that is in the middle is for the center, and the one that is on the right is for the right. And then we have the straight lines, basically for justify, which has another purpose. But today I'm only going to teach how to change the alignment. And I want to make it center, so I'm going to click on the middle one, and here you go. It is now in the middle. Now I want to write something else. I want to write here in this. So basically click again on it. Write, for example, the Splendour Place. And now I want to make it in the middle, so I'm doing Control A, make it to the center. I want to make it red. I want to make it bold. I want to underline. I want to italic. I want to make it a little smaller. So I'm going to click on the small A, and here you go. This is all very easy. I hope you understood today's video. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below. Inshallah, I will meet you in the next video. جزاك الله خيرا كثيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.